Thousands of farmers have been protesting on the outskirts of the Indian capital.
Financial stress drives about 10,000 Indians in agriculture to take their own lives each year.
The suicide crisis.
182 farmer suicides in July alone.
8 farmers have killed themselves every day. Uttar Pradesh received 46% less rainfall this year.
The money in farming is disappearing. More than half of India's farming households are in debt. And this debt has contributed to a suicide crisis.
The phenomenon of high indebtedness is closely linked to shrinking land holding.
जब तक हमारे पास कुछ देने के लिए नहीं होगा, वहाँ रखने के लिए, गिरवी रखने के लिए नहीं होगा, तो हम बैंक हमें कोई भी लोन पैसा नहीं देगा.
The big question is, how will these farmers cope, given the fact that their entire year of hard work is now underwater?
Hello everyone. The farmers are the backbone of our country. India is one of the largest producers of food, and about 60% of our population is directly or indirectly connected to some agricultural activities. The agriculture sector plays a significant role in improving the country's GDP and also provides rural employment. Without farmers, the wide variety of crops such as fruits, vegetables, spices, grains, all this wouldn't be possible, and India's food supply would be at risk. But despite all this, we overlook the hard work of farmers. Despite all their hard work, they are underpaid and underappreciated for their products. This is mainly due to the presence of middlemen and intermediaries present in the market. These are retailers and the in-charges present at mandis. All these people undercut the farmers and take home most of the profit shares to themselves, leaving the farmers with nothing. Some of the major challenges faced by a farmer today are low farm income. The average monthly income of a farmer in India today is very less. According to a survey in 2018-19, the average monthly income of a farmer was just 8,337 rupees. Another problem faced is the high dependence on middlemen. Farmers are highly dependent on middlemen for selling their produce to the direct consumers. Farmers do not have direct access to the consumers, thus they have to listen and obey the words or obey the prices of the middlemen. This often leaves them with a very less amount of profit. Approximately only 25 to 40% of the final sale value is given to the farmer, and 60% is taken by the middlemen. This is a huge problem. Another problem faced is the high debt and economic vulnerability of farmers. Most of the farmers in India, about 50%, have debt, and in order to repay that debt, farmers sell at whatever prices that are available in the market. These farmers do not have direct access to the market. They do not know about the current prices in the market. They do not have knowledge about the market fluctuations. Thus, our team has decided to uplift the farmers. We have created an application in which we are trying to build a platform to create a bridge between the farmers and the consumers. The farmers will now be able to directly communicate with the consumers, thus eliminating the middlemen from the process. This will ensure that farmers get higher profits and money for their hard-earned crops. So this way we plan on helping our country's farmers. Now let us look at some of the main features of our application.
So moving on to the key features of our project. So the first being the local produce marketplace in geolocation. So this is where the farmers can list out their produce and we consumers can view their produce, and we can use geolocation to find and connect with a particular farmer based on our needs. And the next is the bargaining and transaction management. So our app actually provides a real-time negotiation through chat feature where the farmers and consumers can agree upon a fair price. And we have provided a chat box with 3 options. That is the accept, reject, and the counter. So when the farmers and the consumers agree upon a fair price, they can simply click on the accept to finalize the offer. Or when any of them feels that the particular price is unsatisfactory, they can click on the reject to decline the offer. And without just simply rejecting the offer, they can also suggest a different price using the counter option. And another notable feature of our project being the market-driven price suggestions. So this is actually done using web scraping, where we get the real-time market data. And using this, we provide the up-to-date price suggestions to the farmers, so that the farmers stay updated on the market trends and also to maximize their profit. The next is the rating and review system. So this is where the consumers leave rating for the farmers, and also they can also review the farmers. So this helps build trust among the users. And the last being the farmer community forum. So a forum where the farmers can group up and exchange their information or tips about the farming methods, and also discuss their challenges, and also they can share their experience. So apart from these features, there are some unique features which makes our project stand out in the market. So they include the multi-language support. So we understand the language can be a barrier, especially in rural areas. So our project supports multiple languages, including Hindi, Tamil, English, Bengali, Marathi, and Telugu. So the next feature is the price reduction notification for consumers. So this feature enables the consumers to stay informed about their price fluctuations, encouraging them to buy at the right time. This also helps the farmers to increase their profit and also to clear up their stock more efficiently. And next is the global sourcing. So while our focus is on promoting the local produce, there may be some products which may not always be available on a particular region. So our app ensures the consumers to source the produce in the nearby regions when it is unavailable locally. And the next feature is the popularity notifications. So this is where the farmers and retailers stay informed about the trending products in the market. So knowing which produce are in high demand, the farmers can plan their cultivation better, and also retailers can increase their profit. So this wraps up our project's overall functionalities. Thank you.
Hi, I'm here to show the prototype of our application FarmCart. Once I've entered through the app, it would ask me to select the language. For now, I'll choose English, and later I'll show how our app looks different in other language. First, let's look into the farmer side. After entering login credentials, it will take me to the home page. This is the profile of the farmer, and then it shows the weather details, and the farmer can add his product, he can view the listed products, and the farmer can get to know the real-time market prices. And this chat feature is for the negotiation, and then the farmer can look the sold products, and the farmer can know the news related to the farming field. Now I'll show how the farmer can add some items. First, he'll be entering the category and then the name of the product and the description related to the item he's about to add, and then the quantity. And here is where our AI feature gets into play. If the farmer is not sure about the price, we would suggest some price that is more profitable to him and which is more related to the market price. And after adding the item, it goes to the home page, and then the farmer can view the products that's been added, and these are some different products that has been already added by a farmer. And then the farmer can if he wants to know some market prices, he can go through this, and this is today's price. He can also get to know the past day's price of the products, and then the farmer can view the sold products, and here it shows the details of the product and the fixed price that he has kept for sold, and the negotiated price in which the customer wanted, and the name of the customer and the date on which the product has been sold. And here is where the farmer can edit his profile. And we have also added some feature where the farmer can post the contents related to his farming, and this is to maintain or to gain some hope from the customer, the practices or the way in which the farmer cultivates his products. And now I'll show how the negotiation works. This is the customer named Vasanti who's involved in the negotiation. So let's see how it works. And here she's wanted to get 3 kgs of tomato which costs 90 rupees, and she is negotiating it to a price of 65. And if the farmer is okay with this price, he can accept it, or else he can counter by giving some price that is reasonable to him. So in this case, the farmer wants to sell it for 75 rupees and he counters here. And further, if the customer wants to get a lower price than this, they can also proceed. And here the Vasanti wants to get it for B70, and she can request the farmer. And if the farmer is okay with this price, he can accept it. And this is how the bargain works. Once the negotiation is successful, the price gets updated into the cart of the customer. So if the farmer is not satisfied with the price that the customer wants, he can reject the negotiation. Now let's look into the customer side. Here the customer can directly search for the product, or he can go through the categories listed below. After choosing one of the category, it lists the products that are being sold by the local farmers. After choosing one of the product, that is tomato, it shows the details of it, its price per kg, and when it's been added, and the detail of the farmer can also be viewed here. And here I can select the quantity how much I wanted, and then if I want to proceed further, I can add it to the cart, or else if I wanted to bargain it to some price, I can choose this. And this is what I've explained earlier. And if the farmer is okay with the price that I've negotiated, he can accept it, and that price gets updated to the cart. And if not, he can reject the negotiation. And then I can view the farmer's details here, or I can also view the farmer's details in the map. And this is my current location, and these are the farmers who are surrounded by me. And this shows the details of the farmer and the product that he has listed to sell. And this is how our app connects the farmers to the appropriate customers. Thank you. And now I'll show how our app looks in different language. I'll choose Tamil, and this is the farmer's interface. And here he can add his products and then view the products that he has listed, and can check the market prices here and the details of the price. And the negotiation page and the profile. Moving towards the customers page. Now moving on to the Hindi. And this is also similar. We can add his products and view the listed ones. The market prices. And then the negotiation page.
பெயர் ராமச்சந்திரன், ஆண்டிவட்டி தாலுகா, ராமகிருஷ்ணாபுரம் கிராமம். விவசாயம் பண்ணி கொண்டிருக்கிறேன்.
சரி.
லாபம் இருக்கிறது, சில நேரம் இருக்காது. மார்க்கெட்டில் நிலவரப்படி சில நேரம் இருக்கும், சில நேரம் இருக்காது. உதவியாக இருக்கிறது. நாங்கள் நேரடியாக விற்கிறோம், கமிஷன் இல்லாமல் நாங்களே விற்றுக்கொள்கிறோம். எங்களுக்கு விவசாயத்துக்கு தேவையான உரம், பூச்சி மருந்து அனைத்தும் இதன் மூலம் நேரடியாக கிடைக்கிறது. தமிழில் இருந்தால் நன்றாக இருக்கும். இதன் மூலம் நாங்கள் வெங்காயம், தக்காளி, மிளகாய் இதுகளை நாங்கள் இந்த ஆப் மூலம் விற்று பயன்பெறுவோம்.
Yeah, finally we conclude that our app is a game changer with a lot of unique features like geolocation, which help the customer to find out the nearby farmers. And the next interesting feature is the AI price prediction system, which predicts the real-time market data price from the official governmental websites and provides a competitive price to the farmers so that they can get a reasonable profits from that. And the third interesting feature is a multi-language support. This feature ensures our app scalable and it is more feasible. It helps our app to reach the multiple parts of the India, not only restricted to the certain regions. Our app basically focuses on Tamil, Marathi, Hindi and Gujarati. And the next unique feature is a negotiation system. This negotiation system brings a real-time bargaining experience, and this feature establishes a good connection between the farmers and consumer so that they can develop a trust among them. Finally, all these features makes our app and our solution to set apart from the already existing solution. Thus, we all raise our hands to help the farmers community and let them grow. Thank you.